Hello, this is Priscilla Batzel. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Colour Arte Studio. This is a 20 by 16 inch painting canvas, triple prime from Michaels. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so we'll be using some Colourarte colors if we can get them to come out of the bottles. That is Mayan gold, and there's not any reason to think I'm going to try and get any more of that out of there. I have a new color called Silver Leaf, which is a Prizm pour, the same as the Mayan gold is. I'm just going to give myself the pleasure of some Midnight Shadow. I do recall maybe there's a good reason to shake it. I've got some Vivid Intense Fuchsia, wonderful color. I'm being called to Parrot Wing. Yes. It does not matter what I do at this stage because everything is going to be up for judgment as to whether it's something I want to keep or go on with or cover up. So that's how we're going to roll. I've got some Chantilly lace. What else? What else? What else? I haven't used much red violet for a while, and I'd like to. Let's just take the top right off of that so I don't have to think about it. It's similar but not the same. And it makes me want African Violet, which I actually think I have out here somewhere. Yes, I see it. Which might make me want some Indigo Violet. That's kind of plugged. I'm wanting some Jasmine now. I think I better start. Something in my paint. I want either some yellow. I think I'm going to risk a little bit of sour lemon with orange crush in it. Maybe some orange crush too. Maybe all the way up there. Take the last little bit of paint off my spatula and get it across the bottom. Fill in that one missing area. I do like running my spatula down the edge to scrape the paint off so I can use it again. There are no rules at this point. You just put colors on and try not to make mud. When it starts to look a little mucky, it's time to clean your spatula off. And that's now. So I like this, but I want more of it. Time for more jasmine, I think. I think it's also time to bring in something light colored, like maybe some frosted berry. More paint chips. I have some poinsettia and I really want to use it, and it turns out it's plugged. I know I have a pair of tweezers here somewhere. I'm just not seeing them at all. Darn. Oh, I got them. Cool. Well, I got a little something, but I don't think it's enough. Maybe it will be, though. I'm going to put some Bling It golden maple in here. And some more African violet, which feels like it's got a leak, like the top isn't on right. That reminds me, I've got some totally beautiful color. Rhapsody rose, alizarin rose. I've got the Rhapsody rose. That'll have to do for now. But the alizarin rose is to die for. Fix up that weird color scheme. Try and work out the last. Whoop, took too much paint with me. Alright, I want to do something over here. Depends on what I've got available. The golden maple is available. That will dry. Beautiful color. I'm going to go for some of the sour lemon. I haven't used any of the shiny taffeta, and I kind of want to. Whoops, that was a lot. I also haven't used any of the saffron, and I want to. And maybe a little Tuscan sun, because I love that little pop of yellow over here. And I don't ever get bored with jasmine. All the fuchsia, and I'll use my residuals. That's the Vivid Intense Fuchsia. You know what I haven't used again since I started was some of the Midnight Shadow. I haven't put any white in anything, or any turquoise. Where am I going to scrape this off? Right here. I don't even mind. Those colors are great. A little tiny line of bright colors. Why not? Where though? Always got to find a place to put them. This is sort of like doing dots. I think I might have mentioned that before. I'm not sure about that. Quite sure I don't like it actually. More Rhapsody Rose. Wow, there's some really nice sections of this. I'm sure somebody just thinks I'm either talented or lucky, but I really think it's the Colourarte colors, to tell you the honest truth. Now that's a good start in my opinion. I'm going to put a little more of the silver leaf down. I wanted to put some black lines in, but I'm not sure I want to put them in now. Oops. I guess we get some turquoise down there. I should check my timer and see how much time we have. Maybe I can do something more. Maybe I should find my tongue depressor. Just making marks. It's a really long tongue depressor, so it's a lot unnerving using it because I think it's basically too big. But since it's just a stage 1, I'm just stealing a little paint here and there. I want more of that blue. That was awesome. I guess I'll just get some scrapes. And maybe I won't have as much to do tomorrow, if anything. No, I'm loving it. This is so much fun. I recommend this. It's the, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not a vortex. It's the entrance to another alternative reality. They always look like doors to me. So every time I scrape a spot, I'm either putting down or picking up color. In this case, both. I do worry sometimes I'll ruin something that's perfectly good, but then I realize that I have always got tomorrow. And I love exposing the colors that are underneath the colors that I see. And I don't mind making marks on the canvas. I think I want to try a little more silver leaf than new Prizm pour. There's more lines crossing over using the longer tongue depressor for sure. They're exciting colors though. I really like them a lot. This might be the brightest one I've done. How much time do we have left? I've got enough time. I got enough time to tell you guys I love you, and I hope you come again. I post at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I could use a shorter piece of tongue depressor. Could also put some white in here, but I think I'm almost done anyway. I think it is what it is. Definitely therapeutic for me. Very cool. Take whatever's on my spatula. So what was I saying? I have 32 playlists, maybe 33, with 100 videos on them each. And I want to put a few little marks in. Make some texture. Because why not, honestly? They always remind me of prisms. This geometric format. And cityscapes, once you put all the little lined up things that look like windows, it's hard not to see a building full of windows. Alright, I'm going to shimmer this at you. I'm probably going to have to black my edges. I wonder if I want to do something in the middle. Like right there. I'm not sure that was a good idea. And I've used up all my time. Let's try and shimmer this at you. The series goes on. Those colors are to die for. There is a 20% off Colourarte coupon code below the video in the description, along with a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. Fantastic colors. Wow, I love those colors. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos and watch them longer. Watching them longer is the only thing that the algorithm responds to. My paint pouring recipes below show more. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Did I mention that? I might have. On my Linktree, you'll find a lot of links. My couple of websites, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook is Priscilla.cell/artist. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, usually at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Could changes once in a while. I want to thank all the Patreons and the patrons through PayPal who'd make donations to help keep me buying art supplies and keep bringing you tutorials. And I want to especially extend a thank you to the memberships, because there aren't that many of you, but those of you who are the #1 reason why I'm still here on YouTube. So thank you. I hope you're enjoying over 200 members only library videos for you, and there will continue to be more as time goes on. I love you guys. You inspire me always. I hope you come again. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. Everything's reproducible. Just ask me and I'll have it added to anything that you can find. Society6, Legallerist, Fine Art America, Pixels.com, and anything else that might be I'm forgetting to mention on the Linktree. Anyway, I love you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.